Hello, Celeste Jones and Medici in the Metaverse. I'm here with Bunny today to remind everybody to please be kind to animals because they have feelings too. Today we're going to talk about how to sell NFTs. But first, a quick thank you to our sponsor, Oditto.io, partnering with established artists to build out metaverse galleries to curate, mint, market, promote, and sell their NFTs with strategic success. Check it out, Oditto.io. And if you could also pretty please hit that like button and subscribe so that we can continue offering these videos. So how do you go about selling NFTs in this turbulent market? Do you chase the trading volume on Blur, or do you look for alternative markets? So if you want to create or find something that resonates with collectors, you need to dive into the Discords and Telegrams to ask questions and learn. The next step after choosing a marketplace is to list your NFT. Connect your Web3 wallet to the NFT platform and head to their listing page to see the available options. A seller can usually choose between a fixed price sale or different auctions. The two main timed auction types include selling to the highest bidder or with a declining price. The latter involves setting a high price that drops at regular intervals until someone places the bid, also known as a Dutch auction. This is different from the other method, where the highest bidder wins. Learning how to sell an NFT is essential for creators and investors seeking to expose the emerging niche. The process is slightly more exhaustive for creators as it involves advanced marketing and strategic planning to ensure a successful sale. Well, that's it for today's snippet of info. Hit the like button and subscribe and have a great day. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, NFT Celeste Jones. Celeste Jones at Medici in the Metaverse. And we would love your comments below about any tips you have on selling NFTs.